Making va cymru hau. Is me Katie agus hamidolahain oran Gaelic and you. So good morning everybody, how are you? I hope that you are all well today and I hope that you are ready to sing another Gaelic song with me today. Now, you might have learnt a walking song with me before through our Fèis Time videos. Now, walking song, if you remember, is the process of banging the tweed on a table in order to shrink it so that we can make it into clothes. If you're not quite sure about a walking song, then you can have a look at the other Fèis Time video for Hey Man Do, in which we learnt a walking song and we spoke a little bit about the walking process. So, the song that we're going to learn today is called Hey Mo Leannan, which just means hey my sweetheart. And it is about a girl singing about the boy that she likes. And the boy that she likes is called Callum. And in the first verse that I'm going to sing, it mentions what Callum does for a job. So I want you to listen very carefully when I'm singing and see if you can figure out what it is that Callum does for a job. And remember, if you can do this, the walking process action, along with me singing, that'd be brilliant. Remember, it's really important that we're doing it all at the same time so that we don't ruin the tweed. Okay, here we go. Un, ja, drie, keer. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan am feather. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan gile Callum, carpenter and daddy who. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan am feather. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Gleva. So did you hear? What is it that Callum does for a job? Did anybody hear? Callum was a carpenter. A carpenter. Okay, so this time I want you to join in and sing along with me. Okay, so I want you to try and just focus on the chorus. So the first part that I sang. Okay, the words are nice and easy and I'm going to say them very slowly for you so that you can hear. So the first bit is Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Try it. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Gleva. She Mo Leannan am fer She Mo Leannan am fer Gleva. Then the third one. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. So just the same as the first. So the first line and the third line are exactly the same. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Okay, do you think we can try the chorus? I think so. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to give you a count to Céhir, so up to 4. Un, ja, three, Céhir. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan am feather. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Gleva, well done. Do you think we can do it a little bit faster? Just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Un, ja, three, Céhir. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan am feather. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Gleva, you're getting the hang of it now. Okay, this time we're going to sing the chorus all together. Then I'll sing the verse about Callum being a carpenter and then we'll go back to the chorus all together. Okay, and remember, let's try doing this action either on your knee or on the table or on the floor. And make sure that we're all doing it at the same time because we don't want to ruin that tweed, do we? Okay, here we go. After Céhir. Un, ja, three, Céhir. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan am feather. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan gile Callum, carpenter and daddy you. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan, she Mo Leannan am pedwr. Hey Mo Leannan, ho Mo Leannan. Gleva, give yourselves a clap. I hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully I will see you all again very soon for some more Gaelic singing and some more Fèis Time. So tap live, agus Jerry.